All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to reply. The topic is evening time. So, do you like morning or evening?
Um, I like evening time. Most of the time, I'm spend my evening time in near park, and I meet with my friends.
I meet
uh,
with my
I
friends.
meet with my friends and play some football sometime.
All right, so give proper answer at the
And
end. You should conclude. Like, do you like the morning or evening time? That is why I love evening time very much. Right? One sentence conclusion. Answer is good, but at the end you just stopped abruptly. So don't stop abruptly.
sure.
Complete your answer. What do you usually do in the evening? You've
Uh,
already mentioned that, but now answer differently. What do you usually do in the evening?
Most of the time, I'm spend.
I am spend is wrong. We never use is am are with first form of the verb. I spend.
I spend most of the time, and I'm spend time with
I
my.
spend time.
I spend. I spend time with my friends, and nowadays I'm prepared.
I am prepared. Wrong structure.
I
Don't use
prepared.
am with first form. I prepare. Nowadays, I am preparing. Like that. So, carry on. Now, let's go on. What did you do in the evening when you were a child?
Um, in my child, I
In
go.
my child is wrong. In my childhood.
Okay, sir.
Hood is important, okay? So, what did you do usually when you were a child? In the evening when you were a child?
In my childhood, I'm go outside with
I
my.
am go outside.
I
You're murdering English language. Mic on ही रहने दें. Mic on रखें. Right? So, I am and I am. You should avoid that. This will bring you to 5 band level. This English is 5 band. I am get up early in the morning. I went there tomorrow. This is 5 band English, I'm telling you. Alright? So please focus the tense. We never use is, am, are with first form of the verb. We use it with ing form of the verb and all that. Okay, one last question. Do you prefer to spend your evenings at home or outside?
in my opinion, it depends.
Now, it depends. Huh?
It depend.
It depends. Oh, माइक ऑन ही रहने दे भाई उससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा It depends.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so what was the question? Huh? You forgotten the
No,
question?
no.
So,
It depends. Most of the time, I'm spend alone.
I am spend.
I
It's
spend.
depend. I am spend. You should avoid that. Okay, I would advise you to focus grammar. There are 5 tenses that you need to master. If you speak like this, they will give you very low bench score. So please focus that. It's depend is wrong. It depends. Right? Okay, no problem. Let's go on. Do you use mobile phone?
Yes, I often use mobile phone in our free time.
In my free
In
time.
my free time, I often use different app by in our free time.
In
So
my free time. Now
in-
that's repetition. If you say second time, in my free time, in my free time. Okay?
In my
All
free-
right. What do you do on your mobile?
I often use social apps such as Facebook or Instagram, and to get information from that to from different apps.
All right. This answer is incomplete. So you should try to add more to
Yes.
it. Okay? Do you use internet on mobile?
Yes, I use internet on mobiles by using different apps, and such as we use YouTube to watching different movies,
To watch different movies?
to watch different movies or listen music. It is
Okay, again you said we. So try to answer with I.
okay.
Right? What's your favorite mobile phone?
Nowadays, I am using my iPhone, so now I like iPhone.
All right, speak some more.
Ji.
I like iPhone. It has got many features. I like it very much. It's very trendy. Just try to be talkative. बाहर जाना है?
हाँ जी.
जहाज में बैठ के, बस में बैठ के नहीं जाना. Okay? Yeah. So you should try to speak more. How would you demand different things from the air hostess in English? You will not say baji cha le aao. Yeah, you got to say, excuse me, lady, bring me a cup of tea. Like this, okay? Yeah, you will not speak local language, English.
Okay.
Try to focus your English. One last question. How often do you call your friends on mobile?
I often calls by favorites on favorite contacts in my contacts gallery.
रात 12 बजे तो बाद हाँ?
No, sir.
3 रुपये घंटा okay, 3 rupees per hour all night, and then in the morning the birds are chirping. अच्छा सुबह हो गई. All right, then Allah Hafiz, bye bye. Okay, so yeah,
So I can contact easily by them.
I
on-
understand, right? So let's go on. Would you like to buy a new mobile?
I don't would
I would
don't
not
buy-
like.
I would not like to buy a new phone because I recently buy a new phone.
I have recently bought.
I have recently bought a new phone.
Good. You need practice.
Okay.
You need these 5 tenses and familiarity with all these topics. You will be fine. And try to speak more and more.
Okay.
Right? You'll be okay. Thank you.